Hey guys, my name is Vanover. In today's racing series, we're going to be talking about setting up lines, how you should be properly setting up lines, what speeds you should be utilizing around the track, and also when you're setting up lines, what you should be focusing on that's ahead of you. We're going to discuss it all in today's video, and hopefully your racing lines will look even better and smoother than before. Alrighty guys, so when you're setting up race lines, there's one important tip, and that's making sure you keep the next gate that's going to be after the gate you're currently going through in check. What I mean by that is, let's pretend you have two gates like this. If you're going through a gate right here, you don't want to go through the gate and then make the turn to go through the next gate. You want to start lining up the gate that's after the one you're currently through 3 seconds ahead of time. It's an essential rule in racing. The reason we do that is because you keep way cleaner and faster race lines, as well as just flying way more efficiently when doing all that. Now there's really no better way to show you guys this as well as explain it than to go outside and show you one of the racetracks and talk you through exactly what's going through my mind when it comes to setting up race lines. Alright guys, so I have a little bit of a track set up here, and that's going to be the best way to show you guys how to set up race lines. We'll talk about a few different things. The way my course is set up right here, I have a little bit of a Jacob's ladder. That Jacob's ladder then flows into a slalom like this. You come around a gate, over it, split S, through this gate, hard right, through that gate, around the flag, and then back into the Jacob's ladder. When you're setting up race lines, you want to be thinking about the next gate that's ahead of you. I'll give you a good example right here with these two gates right here. As you can see, the way you're supposed to do it is you're supposed to make a turn just like that. Now what you don't want to do is this. You don't want to be going through this gate and then stopping the quad and then going through this gate. You're losing a lot of time. You're also flying very inefficiently. What you want to do is you want to start setting up the next turn like so. Now when you learn to track for the first time, that's going to be harder to do. Don't worry about blowing out your lines then. But when you start wanting to get really finesse with the track, you want to start thinking about the next gate that's there. So with this gate right here, I know that I'm going to be making a right turn. So I'm going to start that turn immediately, not too tight or anything like that. What you don't want to do again is try and start the turn after the matter. And you also don't want to start the turn too early and then blow out and then hit the center of the gate potentially. That's one example. The other good example here is with this Jacob's ladder into the slalom. As you can see here, this is a continuous left turn straight into a slalom. And what I'm trying to make sure I do is when I exit this Jacob's ladder, I want to make sure that I'm going wide enough so I have plenty of time to either pull tighter into this flag, or if I need to go wider, I can. If you're not thinking about what's up next, you slow the quad down like this, now you're having to essentially reset to get to the next element. So what you want to do is once you learn a track, you want to learn it slow. You want to be thinking about where the next flag is. So right now I'm going to let myself go wide. There's the flag. Right here, I know I have to go through this gate. I know after this gate, I have to do a 180-degree turn. So I'm going to start that turn now. I know I have to make a left turn after this gate. So instead of going through the gate like this and then turning left, I'm going to go through the gate, and I've already started the left turn. I have to start a right turn now. With this flag, I have to go right. So I'm going to swing right here. I know it's going to be a left turning spiral. So we're going to start the turn early. I know I have to swing wide here. All right, there's the flags. Here, got to make a 180-degree turn. What you don't want to do is go through the gate and then turn around like that, because that's where someone's going to get in front of you. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this tip series. When it comes to setting up race lines, it's just super important to be thinking 3 seconds ahead rather than thinking in the moment. That way you're going to be setting up the gate that's next to you, keeping your lines efficient. You're going to be flying much longer in terms of your battery, and you're also going to be going much faster through the track. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know down below what you thought about the video, what questions you have, what videos you would like to see next. We're going to try and cover as many different topics in racing as possible. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below to see what kind of gear we were running in this video on my quad setup. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.